Go Carpet Cleaning in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning is one of the leading carpet cleaning businesses in Sugar Hill and the surrounding areas. We focus on office and residential carpets, area rugs and upholstery services. We supply natural solutions to fight any stain, even difficult ones. Our carpet cleaning services in Sugar Hill are detailed and safe, and we work to ensure our clients are satisfied before we leave any task. Our environment-friendly products will leave your home smelling fresh with a no-chemical smell or residue left behind for you and family pets. Today there are numerous delighted customers across all communities in Sugar Hill, who rely heavily upon our experienced experts, since nothing gets easier than having an expert clean. For carpet cleaning in Sugar Hill, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Our knowledgeable service technicians are expert cleaners in hot water extraction, as a cleaning method which eliminates spots by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet. We work hard, and we utilize effective steam cleaning tools such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet, and into every nook and cranny, so we can supply a complete thorough carpet cleaning service. Look at our before and after photos to see how we're able to successfully cleanse even the most stubborn dirt and grime. You'll see what's genuinely the very best carpet cleaning offered in Sugar Hill and the surrounding area. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote. Or visit our website, www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/sugar-hill-ga.